There is a new series on Netflix, guys. So, ito yung... Teka, ano nga ba ito? Santa Clarita Diet. Medyo morbid siya kasi parang kumakain ng tao and all of that. Welcome back to a new vlog, guys. So, I wasn't able to vlog all morning, but I went to a meeting in Makati. I met with Avon, from the people from Avon, and so exciting. We have a collaboration together, and I cannot wait to show you my first video for them. Then after that, I went straight to Dean and DeLuca. Tama ba? Because I got the Cuban cheese rolls or something. Sobrang sarap niya. And I want Mark to try it out. Si Mark kasi shoot ngayon. So, inuwian ko siya. Super sarap, guys. As in, look at that. Parang siyang cheese bread. May cheese sa loob. Tapos yung top niya medyo crunchy na sweet. So, I'm sure Mark will love that one. And then I had lunch sa ramen place sa Rockwell. So, I had to eat there since I was starving, and yun, now I'm back home. I need to film a few videos and then edit some videos before Mark gets home para mag-laundry kami. Ang dami naming laundry. Look at that. Super dami. Hi! Tapos na ako mag-film, and nagpalit na ako ng damit. I'm wearing Judy! At yung shirt nung It's Duty Time na meet up in Manila. I'm just waiting for Mark. Wala pa siya. Medyo natagalan sila sa shoot. Just gonna clean up kasi nagkalat na naman ako. Of course, kapag tuwing nag-ano naman ako, tuwing nag-film ako, nagkakalat talaga ako dito. Doing laundry right now. Hi, baby! Ng truck. Hindi kayo nababagot yung mga driver ng truck. Mami.
Nagbabagot syempre, nakakantok yan. Kaya nadadala sa aksidente sa ganyan.
On our way home. Kumain pala kami sa Jollibee for dinner.
Hi, hello.
We just got a letter. Going home.
Mamaya sa bahay.
We just
Mamaya
got
sa bahay.
a letter.
Sa bahay, sa bahay.
We just got a letter.
Mamaya.
I wonder who it's from. Dun, 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 dun. Finally, dumating na, guys. Ito yung hihintay ko. It is the 100% coconut water. Kawayan. I'll have the link in the information box. Pure. As in pure coconut water daw to girl. Picked bottle delivered. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Woohoo. Oh my gosh. Ruby, come here. Is it fresh?
It's fresh!
Sarap! Fresh ka.
Totoo, fresh.
Yun talaga yung lasa. Wala na lang...
Yeah.
Papalis ba?
Nagchachop ako ng melon. Nagchachop.
Papalis ba?
Nagsaslice ako ng melon.
Ruby, ba't kaya ka mag-vlog? Sobrang ganun.
So, paano ba? Paano ba?
Oo, yun lang. Normal.
So,
You're so cute.
ganito lang, ganito lang.
Oo. Overextend siya mag-vlog. Yan siya mag-vlog.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Dapat kaya.
Yan. Yan. After drinking the Kawayan coconut drink, nagsaslice ako ng melon ngayon.
Oy! Ah! Vlog.
Log.
I'm making Mark watch Santa Clarita Diet. So, we're ending our night with this one. That's it for the vlog today. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. Look at my lips.
Say
So pink.
Yaba. Welcome back to a new vlog, guys. We're starting the vlog super late today. As in, all day wala akong ginawa ko. manood. And then, yun, nag-Netflix na kami ni Mark. Pinapanood namin yung Santa Clarita Diet. It's the newest Netflix show with Drew Barrymore. Super ganda. Not naman super, pero yeah, I just finished filming a video, a makeup tutorial again for you guys. So, may isa akong ina-upload ngayon, pero medyo wonky yung internet connection namin today. So, yun. It's actually 9 time. So, I'm probably gonna merge this vlog together with yesterday's vlog kasi medyo maikli rin yung vlog na yun, diba? Here's Booby Bear! Ready to walk. Kasi sabi ko, after mag-film, tanggalin ko agad yung makeup ko and then maglalakad kami papuntang dinner. Kakain kami sa Mercato. I love this lipstick. It's from Maybelline. Siren. In Scarlet. Ganda, no? And then medyo inayos ko yung likod. Nilagay ko yung fur dyan kasi ang daming kalat nung isang araw. Anyway, magulo na naman. Pero mabilis na ayusin yun kasi medyo maayos na naman yung ano. Right now, jogging our way to Mercato Central. We're not focused. Hindi tinanggal yung pilik mata ko. I always like looking at this one. Cute, no? It's an artwork. Ito po ba Japanese ano? One day, let's eat here. I do nails. Then yun pa, yung okoke. Okoke.
Okay. Okay. Sino si Visa?
Ha, ha, ha. Tuscany at McKinley. Medyo maganda tumira dito, no? Parang secluded. They also have the fountain. And there's a McDonald's right there. Kain tayo?
No.
Joke lang. Oh,
Wait lang.
Like this green.
No, I'm not.
Kaya pinalagpas yung mga tao bago magdala.
Yan na.
Nahiya siya, pinalagpas yung mga tao bago magdala. Ganito din yung proper walking.
Proper walking. May tinuro ko sa'yo.
Oh, she's wearing it.
So, nandito kami sa may Upper McKinley.
Sweat and balls.
Yes, we're walking. Wait. We're going to Mercato at 7th Ave. Yan lang. And then after siguro namin kumain.
Oh, yeah.
Dali tayo. After namin kumain doon, maglalakad lang ulit kami pa uwi.
Oh, empty lot. For sure, in 10 years, Booby. For sure, may nakatayo na dyan. Anyway, we're just admiring this one. Come on, vamonos. Booby. Stop flexing. We're so near. Bango! Lahat na maamoy eh, pagkain.
Ay, paano?
Kusina.
Restaurant pala.
We found it! Because of my excellent navigation skills.
Wow! That's your navigation skills.
Doon na guys.
That's my navigation.
Not yours, mine. Mine.
Mine.
Mine.
Mine.
Mine.
Mine, mine, mine.
Mine, 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 mine. Buti naman naghihintay kayo ng ano. O, diba? Ako, I'm a law-abiding citizen of the world. What about you? You're the jaywalker.
Yeah.
He's the jaywalker. Oh my gosh, may cat! Booby yung pusa! Oh my gosh, mababangga siya. There's a freaking cat. Hindi siya tawid. Oh gosh, thank you Lord. Okay, he's safe. Booby, what are you gonna get? Oh yes, we're here. All the smoke and the grilled goodness. We're getting that fried oden.
What's that mandu?
Tanong
Siya,
mo.
may glass noodles, pork, and beans.
Ano mo?
Konting-konti lang.
Konti lang kuya, spicy.
Whoop. Okay.
Oh. Thank you.
Thanks.
Wait, hindi pala ako
Yummy.
nagbabayad.
Nagbayad na ako.
Ah, nagbayad ka na?
It's so funny. More food. Uy, boneless Thai. I like this.
Yeah. There.
What's that?
Roast chicken barbecue nila. Well, let's walk around. At least
I
meron
like
na tayong
this.
pang ano. Later.
Ano yun? What's that?
May ganyan sa Tagaytay dati.
Yes, ma'am. Crispy,
Kwek-kwek.
I want quick. I want... Ay, bakit parang sunod?
Sige, pwede mo pang try.
Oy, booby. Dynamite.
Dynamite.
Oh my gosh, I miss dynamite.
Ano po ito?
with oyster sauce.
You want?
That looks yummy.
Yan. I want the shawarma.
What are you getting, booby?
Shawarma.
Wow. Mark and I are trying the 2 pieces Frankfurter sandwich on a stick. It looks good. Mamaya mag-ice cream tayo. Kumain sila, Chris, dati lang. Kayo yun,
Doon
diba?
sa kabila may remote.
Oh, okay. Si Jack
siya nakatira, no?
ulit.
Here's your sausage.
Sugar cane. Oh, let's watch how they do it. It's so cool. Look at that. Woo. Love it. Ay, lumalabas sa kabilang side.
That's cool.
Galing, no? That's so cool. So, galing dito sa loob na yung juice.
Oh.
Oh, and it has a lot of benefits.
Sir,
We're gonna try the bagnet.
Yung ganito na may rice.
one on o five.
Magkano siya?
Go lang.
Ilang pieces yun?
Trying the avocado and the French vanilla from Mary
Yung
Moo.
torch marshmallow.
Tapos may marshmallow fluff pa.
Oh, looks yummy.
Yung fluff nila. Nice. Kita mo yun, nag-shake yung screen ko. Kasi palang kumakain lang, malakad lang, no? Kain lang kami ng
Kasi pag nakaupo ka, mabubusog ka agad. Oh.
Hinanda ko na yung mga palette ng mga kapatid ko. Thank you, Judy! So, tig-isa sila. We're finally home, guys! We'll see you guys tomorrow kasi I need to edit pa. And then, nag-ayos na ako ng mga clothes. That's it. See you tomorrow. Bye!